Welcome back everyone to another video. Now in today's video I'll be doing an unboxing on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Now I actually got these with the pre-order of my Galaxy S22 Ultra and I only just got them now. So I thought I'd do a quick unboxing for you guys. Now I will be actually upgrading from my old Galaxy Buds Plus, and I will also be comparing them when I get them out of the box. So first of all, I guess we'll just do a quick comparison to the Buds Plus box. Quite similar, but the Buds Plus box is white, and then on the back we have all the specs as well. Now this has a 5 to 18 hour playtime, where this only has 11 hours, and I mean this is also water resistant. I don't think the Buds Plus are actually water resistant, but I don't really know. Anyway, let's just open this. So I'll quickly just cut the seals. There's the first one, and there's actually 3 seals I didn't even realize. And then there's the second one, and now the third one, which I can't cut for some reason. Okay, there we go. Alright, so I cut the seals, and now, okay. I can't get this off for some reason. Why is it not? Okay, there we go, I got it. Alright. And okay, everything's falling out. Alright, so here they are. Alright, what's this? So I'm guessing all the manuals and stuff is inside of this. We have this, I'll put this aside. I guess we'll just quickly look what's inside of this thing here. Yeah, probably just manuals and stuff. Yeah, manuals, warranty stuff like that. Alright, we're not gonna look in there. Okay, so here it is. So here we have the, I think this is just, oh yeah, so this is just the cable. Is this Type-C to USB or Type-C to Type-C? Oh yeah, this is Type-C to USB. Why did I not see this here? And then you also have your extra ear tips and stuff, and that's everything in this box here. And then in here we obviously have the buds themselves. We'll take this paper stuff off. Looks like this is paper. I don't think this is actually plastic. And then that's everything in the box there. Okay, so here they are, and these are actually matte black, or I believe these are actually called Phantom Black as well, just like the color of the S22 Ultra, which is nice. Alright, if my camera can focus, there we go. Alright, let's open them. And here they are. So yeah, they're already on. And yeah, so this is what they look like compared to my Galaxy Buds Plus. These are glossy, and then these are just matte, which are, this I actually really like the matte color a bit more, I think. Okay, yeah, I guess I'm gonna quickly set these up now. So yeah, alright, I'll quickly get my phone and I'll set these up. Alright, so I have my phone ready here, and to set these up, it's actually quite easy. All I have to do is open up the case, and on the phone this shows up, Galaxy Buds Pro, and I press connect, and it should connect them now. Now it's probably just gonna download some stuff for it, and it's connected. Okay, just some stuff you have to agree to, and then there you go. It's that easy. It literally took me like less than 10 seconds. And now here you have all your settings, like noise control, voice detect. Now I believe these do have like pretty good noise cancellation. Okay, they just disconnected because I closed the case. Now these have really good noise cancellation, I heard. I don't think my buds have noise cancellation. I'm not exactly sure. Okay, yeah, let's just connect these again. I will test them out in a minute. Okay, there we go. Just open the case, and now they're connected again. And yeah, you just have all your settings there. Now I will test these out in a minute, and I will tell you guys how they sound, and I will obviously tell them how they sound to compared to these. So okay, my voice is dying there. Yeah, so yeah, I'll quickly do that. I'll test them now, and I'll tell you guys how good they sound. Alright, so I have been using these for about 10 to 20 minutes now, and I have to say these sound great. These sound amazing. Uh, Definitely sound better than these. Now, maybe for some people it might not be a crazy big difference, but they do definitely sound better than the Buds Plus. Now, they also with the noise canceling, that also works great. And there's also this feature that I didn't really exactly know about, which I guess I'll just show now in the Buds app. Let me connect these because they're not connected. And in the settings, there's this 360 audio thing, which is it pretty much just makes the audio, if you're watching any videos or anything, it makes the sound like it just makes the sound like I guess you're actually in the place where the video is being recorded or whatever, which it just makes it sound really, really good. And I thought that was a great feature as well. But yeah, I do have to say these do sound great. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Everything I really have to say about these. So yeah, I mean, that's it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.